Guest blogging, also called guest posting, is the act of writing content for another company's website. Generally, guest bloggers write for similar blogs within their industry in order to attract traffic back to their website. Attract traffic back to their website, boost their domain authority using external links to high authority domains, increase their brand credibility and awareness, and build relationships with peers in their industry. Almost always, guest blogging offers mutual benefits for both the guest blogger and the website hosting the guest content. In other words, guest blogging is a two-way street, so when you decide to hop on the guest blogging bandwagon, you should consider featuring posts by guest bloggers on your own website, too. Why is guest blogging important for your business? Guest blogging offers a number of benefits for any business. By sharing your expertise on other companies' websites, you can establish yourself as an authority figure within your market, build relationships with other thought leaders in your field, and expose your brand to an entirely new audience. Additionally, featuring guest posts on your own blog will help you deliver new perspectives and fresh content to your audience. We're all guilty of falling victim to a routine and growing tired of the same old stuff, so featuring guest posts is a great way to keep readers engaged, not to mention the promotional boost that occurs when your guest bloggers share their blogs with their personal network.